Alright, so I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case, MagSafe, that I'm going to be unboxing and putting on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. You can see what it looks like from the outside, but we're going to open it up and see how it feels on the inside and how well it fits around the iPhone. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty similar to what is on the cover of the box, maybe a shade darker than what's on the box, but it's all good. So I'm going to go ahead and reach in here and pull this out. And inside is some marketing material or information about the case. It says it's made with high quality, supple leather to protect your iPhone. I'm not going to read all of this, but I'll read some of it. It says the leather is a natural material, and like a fine leather belt, it may show creases, marks, or patina over time. Interaction with MagSafe accessories will leave slight imprints, so that's some good information to know. I'm going to put this to the side and put some more reading material to the side. I can read this a little bit later. And inside, there are quick instructions on how to put the case on the iPhone. It's simply you take the iPhone and then sliding it into place, lining up the cameras with this box right here. This is the MagSafe right here. Do you see that? Pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take the iPhone 12 Pro Max, find the cameras right here, and I'm going to line it up. I'm going to do exactly what it says right here. Just take the phone, slide it in, so where it lines up, and then click it into place. And so this is what it looks like on the phone. I'm going to turn it over on the side. Do you see that? Get it flush into place. It's not all the way in, so make sure it's pressed into place. On the side, here are the buttons. This is what it looks like. You can still access the silent switch. You can access the volume up and the volume down. On the bottom, there's slots for the speakers and microphone, as well as the lightning cable. On the side, you have the button for the power. Top, there's nothing going on. And on the back side, we have space for the 3 cameras, 1, 2, and 3 cameras, as well as a flash and microphone and sensor. So that's the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case, MagSafe. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.